All right, so I got my wife some new headlight bulbs. I got her some Lasfit L.E.D bulbs. I believe they're the 6Ks, but it's the H8 9 11 plug. So took about a week, even though there's a huge fire going on in California right now. But these are the plugs here. This is the old one. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but at least on the 2017 Ford Fusions here, you can actually access it from the top. You don't have to tear apart the bumper and take out the headlight, but that's it right there. So the little shiny thing is just the gasket. So that's all that is. But here are your stock ones. These are the LEDs. So we'll have to see how they are at night.